Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video today I'm going to talk about how to detach yourself from something or someone. What happens is that when we are trying to manifest something or we are wanting someone to come back into our life, we project a lot of energy towards them, and what happens in the process is that a needy energy is produced and we don't feel abundant at all. And when you try to put energy towards something or someone, they can feel that repellent energy and they will try to repel you rather than grow towards you. So it is very much crucial for you to learn the art of detachment to actually bring that energy into place and manifest that thing faster. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you how to detach yourself by following a very nice exercise that will help you in your manifestation process. So let's get started. So, for people who are empaths like me, what happens is that we love to project our energy into someone and try to be in someone's energy to feel safe. Let's say that we want to be someone's life and try to think like them and help them like them, and in the process we forget what our true self looks like. Every people that we try to project into there, we try to project our energy towards them, or we try to be in their energy field and try to change ourselves towards them. What happens in the process is that those people feel repellent towards you, and they will not look at you with adoration and love, and like rather they would think you as a needy person who is trying to fit into their energy field. So during these moments you have to feel abundant, and the way that you can feel abundant is if you follow the art of detachment. So what is the exercise that I was trying to tell you? So this exercise is a very easy exercise. All you need is a pen. So let's use this marker for example. And what I want you to do is that look at the tip of the pen for 5 minutes and put it in this at this length, and look into the tip of the marker and try to feel the separation between the pen's tip and you. Feel the separation that is coming between the tip of the pen and yourself. So while you're trying to feel the separation between you and the pen, I want you to constantly look into the pen and feel like this pen is separated from me. This is not me, and this pen isn't me. Feel the separation, feel the distance between you and the pen. Try to do this exercise for like 5 minutes every day, and after like a month or 2 months you can see that your art of detachment has got a lot better. You don't feel much attracted towards other people that you're wanting to manifest. You don't feel like too much attached to people, and very much, and like a lot of attachment actually creates a needy energy that takes away your abundance. So that is why the art of detachment is so much crucial and so much important. And if you follow this exercise for, I like mentioned, 1 or 2 months or 3 months at max, you can start feeling the change in your life. You will not feel attached towards people. You will not start to be in other people's energy. You will feel like you have your own energy, you have your own rhythm, you will feel abundant on your own. You will be able to live in your own energy field, and you will feel so much better. Your life will get so much better, and you will feel so much peace inside of you, knowing that no, I don't have to prove anything to anyone. I'm already abundant. I know how I'm living my life, and I love this life that I'm living. And only then, when you will stop projecting your energy and you will be completely detached from the scenario, from the things that you're trying to manifest, those will start to flow into you, and you will be in that flow state, and you will not be able to stop anything that is coming towards you. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want more videos about detachment, please do mention in the comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Goodbye.